Hello everyone, and welcome to Word Lab, a place where we learn how English words work, one word at a time. We look at real examples, simple meanings, and how to use each word in everyday life. Today's word is get, a small word with many meanings. Let's take a closer look. Get can mean to receive something. Example, I get a gift on my birthday. She gets many visitors every day. Get can also mean to obtain or to buy. Example, I get a coffee every morning. We get our food from the store. Get can mean to go and bring something. Example, can you get my coat, please? Or he gets his keys from the table. Get can also mean to become something. Example, I get so tired after work, or she gets nervous before tests. Get can mean to enter or arrive. Example, I get on the bus at 8, or we get to school at 8:30. Quick review. Get means receive, buy, bring, become, or arrive. One word, many uses. Do you think you're getting it now? Let's do a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Choose the correct answer. I get a letter from my friend. Does it mean buy, receive, or to go? Answer B, receive. Can you get my phone from the table? Does it mean enter, to become, or to go and bring? Answer C, go and bring. We get to work at 9. Does it mean arrive, to become, or to buy? Answer A, arrive. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use the word get in everyday English. Keep learning and keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!